Our participation in TRANSBIO aims to be a partner of biotech companies and to share our technological facilities and also our know-how from our researchers. We have several companies, spin-offs from results of this research, and we are also now creating 2 new ones, and we like to promote this cooperation between other partners in Europe in biotech companies.
My name is Jesus Purroy. I'm Science and Technology Services Technical Director at the Barcelona Science Park, and I have come here to Valencia to tell about how the science parks have an impact on the activity of the companies that are based with us.
My talk today was about the strengths but also the weaknesses of the innovative ecosystem in Toulouse as far as housing of innovating and fast-growing companies is concerned. So in fact we have very big strengths, especially in the field of startup creation and startup housing. We are very good in the early stages of company, but we have to acknowledge that afterward it's a little bit less performing, and that we have difficulties to have a good solution, especially for housing fast-growing innovating company in the biotech field.
I have explained our experience hosting biotechnology companies at the park, because the university has some factors that are very attractive for the research and development activities of the biotechnology sector.
My name is Oscar David Sanchez. I am in charge of tech transfer activities at the Príncipe Felipe Research Center, and in my presentation I have tried to share our experience here at a research center housing biotech companies.
I explained about which are our main programs in promoting innovation and entrepreneurship in BioCAD. And those programs are first one, the Health Barcelona, and the second program is the BioEntrepreneur 21.
What we talk today is about the problems we had at the beginning with the company, how we solve that problems, and how we are reaching a final product just to reach the market, ruling the European regulations and the European Medicines Agency regulations.
My speech is about the experience of the company in the first year of his life.
My presentation has been about the bottlenecks and success histories in the Balearic Islands in the biotech field. Mainly what we try to present is as well our experience, a really short experience because we are a really young cluster, in how to foster the entrepreneurship in the science sector and how to help the companies.
My intervention here, I was just counting my experience from transfer a know-how, a patent from my academic lab to have the spin-off company, and how this company, PTS, has evolved from the original idea and changing the lines of research and the lines of applications, because from just making polymers, we are applying now to dermocosmetics and other pharmaceutical applications, and how that's evolved.
We are a spin-off from IB group, IBF clinic, and we wanted to offer the service not only to our clinics but also to other customers. Right now we are an international company where we have established different services in USA, in India, Italy, and I think that we are entering the market with new technology and with transfer of technology.
My presentation briefly is about our experience and how we overcome the different barriers that we faced with a focus on the housing. So the different phases of development of the company raised some concerns, some barriers, and how we did overcome those barriers. And I will end with the status of the company and the strategy at this present moment.
Our conference will talk about the idea of go to the knowledge, to the globalization market, based on a new concept, including not only R plus D plus E, but also a G of globalization and the CC of customer care.
We will speak today about what are the key characteristics of the Boston ecosystem and what is differential.